Hello everyone, you are in your Curious Mind channel. Have you ever wondered about the true story behind the game Free Fire? How did this game originate? And why did it become one of the most famous battle royale games in the world? Today, we will uncover the exciting facts about this thrilling game and how it transformed from just an idea into a global phenomenon with millions of players. It is also one of the most downloaded games on the internet. The truth is, it wasn't just an ordinary game, it came to revolutionize the world and strategy of mobile gaming entirely. So, let's explore how it all began and the secret behind its fame. When we look at the world of video games, we find that success is not only achieved by creating a good game, but also by understanding the needs and expectations of players to provide an experience that fills a gap no one had previously noticed. This is precisely where the secret of Free Fire lies. It was not just another battle royale game added to the list, rather, it was a smart response to an urgent demand in the gaming market. In 2017, the battle royale genre was dominated by giants like PUBG and Fortnite, two games that offered thrilling experiences. However, they required powerful devices and a stable internet connection, which left millions of players, especially in developing countries, unable to enjoy this type of game. Garena, a Singaporean company specializing in developing and publishing free online games, saw a golden opportunity to create a lightweight and exciting game that could deliver the same level of action while running smoothly on low-end mobile devices. The developers focused on clear and precise goals, such as fast-paced gameplay that could run on all mid-range and low-end devices. They also kept the game's file size small, making it easier to download and install for a wider audience. One of the key features that contributed to Free Fire's widespread popularity was its short and intense matches. The game limited each match to about 10 minutes, making it more thrilling and less resource-intensive. Unlike PUBG, where matches could last 30 to 40 minutes, Free Fire provided a quick and engaging experience. Another advantage was its balanced and smooth graphics. The game delivered an appealing visual experience without being a burden on mobile devices, unlike the high-end graphics of Call of Duty Mobile. Moreover, the game was designed for flexibility and accessibility. Whether players had a high-end smartphone or a basic device, they could enjoy Free Fire without major issues. This inclusivity made it a game for everyone. But what truly set Free Fire apart was that it wasn't just a copy of other games, it introduced unique elements, such as characters with special abilities. Unlike PUBG, where all players have the same capabilities, Free Fire introduced characters with distinct skills that influence gameplay, adding a new strategic depth. Constant evolution and challenges, the game never stopped evolving. It continuously introduced new weapons, characters, and innovative game modes, keeping the excitement and engagement levels high. A gaming revolution and cultural phenomenon, Free Fire became more than just a mobile game, it turned into a cultural movement by hosting tournaments, interactive events, and maintaining strong communication with its player base. All these factors contributed to making Free Fire one of the most successful and widely played battle royale games in the world. In Free Fire, your journey begins aboard a plane flying over an island filled with challenges, where 50 players compete for survival. When you jump, you have complete freedom to choose your landing spot, a crucial decision that affects the course of the game. Landing in areas rich with weapons gives you an advantage but also makes you a target for others, while choosing a quieter location allows you time to prepare before engaging in combat. As soon as you touch the ground, the most critical phase begins, gathering equipment and weapons. You must quickly search for guns, ammunition, armor, and medical supplies. Weapons range from submachine guns and sniper rifles to assault rifles, each with unique characteristics that suit different playstyles. Choosing the right gear wisely is essential, as the right weapon can mean the difference between victory and defeat in combat encounters. During the match, you'll notice that the map gradually shrinks due to the safe zone. If you stay outside it, you'll start losing health, forcing you to move constantly toward the center. At the same time, red zones appear, posing an additional danger as bombs randomly drop on players in those areas. Tactics are key in Free Fire. It's not just about fighting, it's also about how you move, hide, and choose the right moment to engage. Some players prefer direct confrontation, while others rely on stealth and waiting for the perfect opportunity to strike. You can take advantage of buildings, trees, and terrain to create strategic cover and protect yourself from enemies. As the match nears its end, battles become more intense, and the number of remaining players decreases. At this stage, you must have the best equipment and a clear survival strategy. Using grenades to distract opponents, moving smartly within the safe zone, and exploiting enemy weaknesses are all factors that can help you achieve Booyah, meaning you are the last survivor and the winner of the match. Topping up diamonds in Free Fire is the primary way to purchase characters, weapons, outfits, and various exclusive items in the game. There are several ways to top up, including 1. In-game store. Open Free Fire and go to the Top Up section. Choose the number of diamonds you wish to purchase. Complete the payment using available methods such as bank cards, Google Play, App Store, or digital payment platforms like PayPal. 2. Official and trusted top-up websites. Websites like Codashop and GameCorito offer discounts and special deals on diamond purchases. You only need to enter your player ID and complete the payment through the available options. 3. Gift cards. You can purchase Google Play or iTunes gift cards and redeem them to top up diamonds in the game. 4. Event offers and free rewards. Occasionally, Garena hosts events where players can earn free diamonds when they top up with a specific amount.